Remember all the 7 rules that we took for the circle theorem, and look at this diagram. Is A, B, C, and D lie on the circle. This is a circle. Now, if A, B, C, D are on the circle, it means A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. If it is a cyclic quadrilateral, then what is the property of the cyclic quadrilateral? Now, sum of opposite angles in the cyclic quadrilateral is 180. You have to find angle ADC. ADC is this angle, this total angle. Now, as you can see, A, B, C, D is cyclic quadrilateral. So this angle plus this total angle, they should make 180 degrees. So you can say angle ADC plus this angle ABC. Their sum should be 180 degrees because A, B, C, D are on the circle, so they make cyclic quadrilateral, and in the cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles make 180 degrees. Now ABC you know already. ABC is what? 42 plus 28. If you will take this 42 plus 28, what that will be? 42 plus 28. That in total will make 70. It means this total is 70. Okay, so you can write here angle ADC plus 70 will be 180. So what will be ADC? In that case, ADC will be 180 minus 70, which is 110. It means this total angle is 110. Now, next part is asking angle ADB. Now, out of this total, you just have to now find ADB, mean only this one. Now, to get this one, if somehow you manage to find this angle or this angle, easily you will be able to find that one. Okay. For that, what I have to, because you know, if you look at this one, let me erase this portion so the work will be easy for you. First of all, look at this diagram. I told you whenever you have to find any angle, particularly on the circumference, for example, this is an angle on the circumference. This is an angle on the circumference. So if you look at that one, for example, this angle AD is making this angle B. Yes, 28. Mean from, if you go from A and go from D, they join at B and this angle is 28. The same arc, a same chord, if you go from A to C and A to, okay, so they are the angle by the same chord. So if this is 28, so this is also 28. Why? Because look, from if you are going from A to B, like this is your A, this is A, this is D. Yes, if you are going from AD to B, this is B. In the same way, from this one, here is C. If you are going from here, so they should be same because they are by the same chord on the circumference. This angle and this angle are by the same chord, and same chord make the similar angle. So it means this one is 28. Now, if this is 28, one more thing. If the lines cross, then what will happen? And one more thing. Look at this angle is 59. With the line, the total angle should be 180 degree. Out of that one, this one is 59. Then what this remaining will be, if we will try to find this one. What this angle will be? This angle will be 180. Sorry, you should write here. If just you take this one, okay, what that will be? It will be 180 minus 59. Because you know, this is the full line. With the line, total angle is always 180. Out of 180, this one is given 59. It means what this remaining will be? 180 minus 59. Okay, find that one. 180 minus 59 is 121. Okay, it means this angle is 121. Now, if this angle is 121, then find this one. Remember, we found in the previous one, this total is 110. If somehow I will manage to find this one, then this one will be possible for me to find. So if you consider this triangle now, you can say this one as point P, okay? If you consider this triangle, this is a triangle here. This is P, This is D and this is C. We know this is 28 and this one we right now we found and it came as 121. It means what this angle will be now. This will be clearly 180 minus 121 minus 28. Okay, let's find them. 180 minus 121 minus 28 is 31. It means this is 31. Okay. Now we know this total is 110. Out of this 110, if this is 31, so then what this remaining will be? 110 minus 31. So it means the angle ADB will be 110 minus 31. So you can subtract that. 110 minus 31 is 79. So this angle is 79. So sometimes you have to go through and directly will not be possible. Consider the triangles that will help you to find the given angle. Look at this one. ABC are the points on the circumference of the circle. Okay. And angle DAB. This angle is given 142. Calculate the angle ACB. This angle we have to find. ACB. Now to find ACB, somehow we have to manage to find this angle. If we will find this angle, then this will be quite easy to find. But right now, if we look at this one, you can see from O to D, there is a straight line. Between the straight line, there is a line here and this angle is 142. Yes. So what this angle will be then? You know, full along the line, the total angle is 180. So then what this remaining will be? 180 minus 142. That will be. So first I will find OAB, that is 180 minus 142. And that if you calculate 180 minus 142, so it will be 38. Okay, this angle is 38. Now have a look at this triangle, OAB. What is OA? OA is radius, because from center till this point, this is radius. OB is radius. It means both these are equal, because radius of the circle are always equal. OA is a radius, OB is a radius. So if it means the triangle is isosceles triangle, then in the isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. So if this is 38, this will also be 38. It means this angle is also 38. Now, how we can find the angle, center angle? If it means angle AOB will be equal to 180 minus the two remaining angles in this triangle. Now calculate them. Minus 38, 104. It means this angle is 104. Now if this is 104, and you know angle at the center is double than the angle on the circumference. This angle ACB is made by the chord AB. This at the center is made by AB. So it means your angle ACB will be half of this angle AOB. So 1/2 into 104, which is 54 degree. Because the angle at the center is always half of the angle. Okay? Clear? So pretty simple, but if you remember the rules. Coming to this one. The vertices of the triangle ABC, rectangle ABCD lie on the circle. Now, when the word rectangle comes in your mind, remember if you have a rectangle, for example, if this is a rectangle. About the rectangle, keep in mind, rectangle has all angles of 90 degree. I mean, this will be 90 degrees, this will be 90, this will be 90, this will be 90. So as this is a rectangle, so keep in mind, it means this angle is 90 degrees, this angle is 90, this full angle is 90 degrees, and this full angle is 90 degrees. Okay. because for rectangle we know that fact already. Mn is the line of symmetry of the rectangle. Line of symmetry mean there is a line. If you pass through it, one symmetry is a topic that we have to take. This is the line of symmetry. It means if you pass through this side and this side will be exactly identical. Okay. And the line of symmetry, it means this angle is clearly 90 degrees. This is also 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. This is 90. This is 90. This is 90. So if you need, we can use them also. AC is the diameter of the circle. This is diameter also. Okay. If this is diameter, remember there was a rule that if there is a circle, the diameter is making angle on the circumference, the angle will be 90 degrees. It means this full angle is also 90 degrees. Why? Because the diameter make on the circumference 90 degrees. ACD is 42. Calculate angle CAM. This angle CAM you have to find CA and M. This one. It means you need to find this angle CAM. Now for CAM, there can be different ways to find CAM. First, if you consider this triangle, this triangle is A, D, B. Yes. Now this is 42. We know this total is 90. Then what this remaining will be? What this remaining will be 90 minus 42. Okay, this is 48. It means this angle is 48 degree. We found this is 90. This is 48. Okay, now we have to find this one. Easily we can find that will be 180 minus 90 minus 48. Okay, let's calculate that. 180 minus 90 minus 48. So it's 42. It means this angle is 42. Now, to find this angle, I can now, if I consider this triangle, let's say consider this triangle. This is a triangle A, C, B. We know this is 90 degrees. Now, if somehow we manage to find this angle, then easily we can find that. Now, to manage that one, for a while, if I consider one more time this triangle, one thing, it can be a little bit tricky, but it's not difficult at all. 42, if I consider this triangle, again, the problem is this angle, we don't know. Okay, one more thing. First, theorem check. This is MC. MC is going here, yes? Where else MC is going? MC, is there any other angle made by MC? No, MC is making only this angle. This is 42. This is AD. Where else AD is going? AD is not going anywhere else. For CAM, I need to erase this work a little bit. Okay, you already understood that. Just for a while, if I will, okay, can we use the property of the cyclic quadrilateral as well? Yeah, one more thing. One more thing is, you know, if this angle is 48 degree, in the rectangle, remember a rule in the rectangle is, if for example, if we take that one, let's say you take a diagonal of the rectangle. If, let's say you're considering this diagonal of the rectangle. If this angle is A, this will also be A. If this is B, this will also be B. This is in the rectangle. Okay, if this is 48, so it means this will also be 48. It was pretty simple. So after finding this one as 48, sorry, what happened? All right. Okay, if this was 48, so easily what will happen? This is also going to be 48. So first we found this one, and no, sorry. This is not 48. I'm wrong. Why I'm wrong? Okay, this total will be 48. It means starting from here till here, this total is 48. Okay, this total is 48, this full, but not this one. I'm sorry. I ignored this fact that between that there is another line also. Okay, so somehow if we manage to find, we know this is 90. If this one is 48, this total is 48, but what about this one? This is going, and where else? 42. Okay, 48. Then one more thing, 90. I will come back to this one. Right now, sometime it don't click, so I will be back to this one. So leave it here, okay? We'll be back to this. Look at this one. A, B, C, D, and E are the points on the circle. This are the point on the circle. Angle DA intersected and calculate BDE, which is your required angle. BDE, mean you have to find this angle. Okay, to find this angle, if you look carefully at this one, this is A, this is B, this is D, and this is E. These all points A, B, D, E all are on the circle. So this is a cyclic quadrilateral. This one is 58. So what this will be then? This one will be 180 minus 58. Because in the cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles are 180. So in that one, if you take this, so 180 minus 58, what that will be? 122. It means this angle is 122 degree. Angle A and D. Okay, where is A and D? A and D mean this angle. Okay, so to find this angle, if we manage to find either this angle or this angle, it can be easily, we can do it quite easily. So first of all, look here. This is like this 19 is by BC. So if we will go from this one, BC is also going here. It means this is also 19, because look, if from B to A, yes, the same BC is going to D also. This is D, this is A, and this is B, and this is C. BC is going to D, this is 19, so this will also be 19. Okay, this is 19. It means what this remaining angle is. What will be this remaining angle? If you take only, this will be 85 minus 19. That's 66. Okay, in the same way, as this is cyclic quadrilateral, and you know this total is 85, then what this will be? 180 minus 85. Okay, let's take that 180 minus 85. 95. So it means this one is 95. Now if this is 95, so now you have this one as a quadrilateral where this angle is 66, 122, this one 95. So you have to find this angle. What this angle will be? That angle, if you will take, will be 360 minus these three angles, because a four-sided shape make total sum of the angles in a four-sided shape is 360 degrees. So it means this will be 360 minus 66 minus 122 minus 95. That will be your A and D. Okay, calculate A and D. 360 minus 122 minus 66 minus 95. So this angle is 77. So we found that this is 77. All right. Coming to this one. Circle AT is the tangent to the circle. Okay. We know that, and OA is the radius. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent. It means this total angle should be 90 degree. Yes. If this total angle should be 90 degree, so what we can do for finding, if I first find z, because it has two parts. What is z? Z, if you will take, it will be total z plus 50 should be 90 degree. So z will be 90 minus 50. That is 40 degree. Okay, we found that this angle z is 40 degree. Why? Because look at this one. This OA is the radius, AT is the tangent, and angle, total angle between radius and tangent is always 40 degree. Okay, then what is here, if you found this one, to find t, somehow you have to manage to find v or y. For y, if you consider this triangle only, O, A, B, this is 50. Now what is OA? Radius. What is OB? Radius. It means both these sides are equal. If both these sides are equal, so if this is 50, so this is also 50. Then what this angle will be? This is y actually. So what y will be? 180 minus 50 minus 50. It will be 80 degree. It means y is 80 degree. Now to find t, what you have to do? Consider this triangle. This already is 90. This you found is 80. Then what this remaining angle? This is t. What t will be? T will be equal to 180 minus 90 minus 80. So the missing angle you can find for 180 minus 90 minus 80. 10. That is 10. So quite simple. Coming to this one now. Everything is given there. Calculate AOT. Mean this angle you have to find. Very easy to find. If you consider this triangle, this is 24. We know that AT is tangent. Then what this angle will be? Total 90 degree. This is given 90 degree. So what this angle will be? What this angle will be? AOT will be 180 minus 90 minus 24. Because in the triangle, sum of three angles should be 180 degree. So to get that one, it will be 180 minus 90 minus 24. So it will be 66 degree. So this angle is 66 degree, that was. And then calculate angle ACB. Now where is ACB? This ACB, this one. Now if you look at ACB, this one is made by the chord AB. ACB is also made by the chords. So you know angle by the chord on the circumference is half than the center. So what this one will be? This one will be half of this one. ACB will be 1/2 time of AOT. Okay, because this one is by the AB. Look at this one. Same chord is making in the center. So it will be 1/2 into 66. That is 33 degree. Then calculate angle ABT. Okay, we have to find the angle ABT. This angle we need to find. Okay. To find this angle, consider this triangle once again. This is AOB. We know that this angle is 66. What this angle is, let's say this is X. As AO is a radius, OB is radius, so both these will be equal. So that is why base angle will be equal. So what will be X plus 66? It will make 180 degree. So 2x plus 66 will make 180. 2x will be 180 minus 66. So 2x will be 180 minus 66. 114. Sorry, 14, not 44. It means what will be x? 114 divided by 2. So divided by 2, 57. Okay, it means this angle is 57. Now if this is 57, then you know with the line total is 180. Then what will be the remaining? Remaining is ABT. So ABT will be 180 minus 57. Because you know this is the situation. And we found that this angle is 57. So what is remaining will be 180 minus 57. So if you take that one, 180 minus 57, that is 123. Okay. Coming back to this question, which in which I was stuck. We have to find CAM. For finding CAM, look at every single possibility that we have. Yes, I got. Look at this one. This angle is 42 and we know this is 90 degree because this is line of symmetry and line of symmetry in a rectangle is always perpendicular. So this is 90 degree. Find this angle. When you will find this angle, so what we will get? For finding this angle, I will say it will be 180 minus 42 minus 90. This is 42 degree, okay? So 180 minus 42 minus 90 is 48. Okay, this angle is 48. If this is 48, then what this will be? 180 minus 48. Okay, let's take that 180 minus 48. So this one is 132. Okay, out of this 132, again this one 90. Okay. If I consider this full triangle, we know this is 90. Anything that I'm missing, if you can focus a little bit. Because look for every possibility of the available angles with you. If you can find that, somehow to find this one, I have to manage to find this angle and this angle. But this one is going to this and the same. Where else is going? N is not going anywhere. Maybe 90 degree. Leave it. Instead of wasting time on that, I will check if any solution I will be able to find. Okay, moving to the next one. Sorry, sometime it can happen, so you need not to worry about that. Next one are the polygons. Any closed shape is called a polygon. For example, any closed shape with straight lines. Circle is not polygon, keep in mind. Like rectangle, triangle. This is a three-sided shape. A three-sided shape, three-sided polygon, we call it triangle. Then a four-sided is called quadrilateral. Now quadrilateral, remember, in quadrilateral we have rectangle. Rectangle has four sides, so it means rectangle is a quadrilateral. Okay, in quadrilateral we have like rectangle, we have square, we have rhombus, Okay, we have a simple parallelogram. These are all quadrilateral. Okay, why these are all quadrilaterals? Because they have four sides. Now, if we talk about the rectangle only, in rectangle, all four sides are inclined at 90-degree angle. I mean, what will happen? Each angle is 90 degree. Opposite sides are equal. I mean, this side will be equal to this one, this side will be equal to this one, and they are parallel also. Talking about square, you already know that square is a four-sided shape whose all sides are equal. Like all angles are 90 degree and all four sides are equal, and opposite sides are parallel also. In rhombus, the four sides are there. All the four sides are equal. Okay, all four sides are equal. Like you can say all the four sides are equal, but angles are not 90 degree. These angles will be different. Okay. And a parallelogram is a shape that has four sides and in which the opposite sides are parallel. Such shape we call as parallelogram. Okay. But remember, in general, to a four-sided shape, we declare as quadrilateral. Okay, if we have five-sided shape, that is called pentagon. A six-sided shape is called hexagon. A seven-sided shape is called heptagon. Eight sides, octagon. Nine sides, nonagon. And 10-sided shape, decagon. Okay. Now, let's say if we have a polygon. So whenever you will listen the word polygon, mean a closed shape with many sides. If we say regular polygon mean all sides equal. That is regular polygon. If I say regular pentagon, it means all five sides are equal. If I say regular hexagon, it means all six sides are equal. If I say regular heptagon, it means all seven sides are equal, and so on. Like square, for example, square is a regular quadrilateral. Equilateral triangle, the triangle whose all three sides are equal, I will say it is a regular triangle. Okay. And remember, the regular, if you say a regular polygon, all sides are equal and all angles are also equal. Okay. So can we say rhombus is a regular? Rhombus is not regular. Sides are equal, but all four angles are not equal. Okay. So regular polygon is a word that you have to remember. And then let's say if you have a polygon which has n sides. Formula for the sum of angles. It is n minus 2 into 180 degree. For example, if you have a triangle, how many sides are in the triangle? 3. It means n is 3 for the triangle. So what will be sum of angles? Sum of angles will be 3 minus 2 into 180. So that will be 180 degree. If you have a four-sided shape, what will be sum of angle? Sum of angle will be 4 minus 2 into 180. That will become 360. If you have a pentagon, in pentagon there are 5 sides. So what will be sum of angle? Sum of angle in that case will be 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. And that will be 5 minus 2, 3 into 180 degree. So it will become 540. So sum of angle, it means in the pentagon is 540. Okay, in hexagon 6 sides, so 6 minus 2 into 180 degree. So that will be 4 into 180. 720. So it means you have to remember, if you have any polygon whose sides are n, the sum of angles will be, this will be the formula for that. Okay, tomorrow inshallah we will take the regular polygons and irregular polygons, each angle in the polygon, each side in the polygon, interior, exterior angles of the polygons we will take inshallah. Okay, but before, please, I will share this file as